This is how long you would survive only eating these things. Up first is cinnamon. If you only ate cinnamon, you would only survive for 12 hours. This is because the coumarin in it could incapacitate you, causing immediate liver damage. So whatever you do, don't just eat cinnamon. Next up is raw chicken. You would only survive for 1 week if you only ate raw chicken. This is because salmonella is extremely deadly, and raw chicken is a carrier of it, especially after it spoils. Finally is hair. If you only ate hair, you would survive for a week and a half. This is because an unmovable internal blockage would quickly develop, resulting in a lot of problems and death.